Alright, let's get started. So when you open 3ds Max, you get this sort of window here. So this is actually your viewport. This whole thing over here is your viewport. Now there's a different viewport. There's a 4-section grid type viewport. And if you want to snap into that, just hold on to Alt and press W. Alt, press W, there we go. So now you see that you have different viewports. You've got a front viewport, top, left, and so on. And this is really handy when you have an object and you want to see different views, especially with floor plans, orthographic views, that sort of thing. So let me give you a brief idea of how it helps. So this is one of my projects that I'm doing. So as you can see here, you've got a front view, top view, left, and as you can see, you can see all the different types of views. And when you click on individual views, you see this yellow frame around it. It activates every time you click on one of them. So let's say I want to see the front view. So I have front view selected and I go Alt W again. And that goes back into the full screen version. So now I can, go back and forth. I mean, if I want to go to the left view, click on the left view where the yellow border goes, Alt W, and there we go. Now a basic maneuver tool is your gizmo cube up here on your top right hand side, just over here. Now if you left click on it and hold on to that and move your mouse around, you can see that you're actually moving around the head. So it actually looks like, now it looks like the wolf is talking to you, but it basically helps you move around your object. Of course, then on your scroller you have the zoom in and out. As you can see, he's not brushed his teeth. And obviously, you can do other things as well, such as grabbing and moving. So if you hold on to your scroller and move around, so by clicking your scroller and moving it around, you're actually moving the view of the object, not the object itself. It's going to stay exactly in its position on the X and Y coordinates, but you're just moving it around the view. Now, of course, that there are tools. I mean, what I've been showing you right now are shortcuts in a way, but you've got all these view options over here. So if you go back into the viewport where it had 4 grids, so if you go Alt W, you've got options such as zoom all. So when I click on zoom all right here, so it's on your right hand side at the bottom, if you click on it and zoom, you see that it zooms in all the views. So you actually can see all the views now are zooming, whereas the one next to it will just zoom into the one view that you basically make active. Then you got zoom extend. Basically now this is one zoom extend, this is all. Basically it puts it into frame where the whole object is seen within the window, the resolution of the viewport. And of course you've got the panning tool, which I showed you by just using your mouse cursor, scroller rather. So that's pretty much it. That's all there is in terms of maneuvering as a basic for 3D Max.